Okay, so what I'm hoping to do today is teach you how to respond on the Flipgrid to a classmate. Because what I've noticed some of you do is you make your own video to say, hey, you did a really great job. And as nice as that is, it's not exactly the best way to do our responses. So right now I'm in the, you can see it, okay? I'm in the push and pull Flipgrid, okay? And I'm going to bring up my Flipgrid. See me? I'm over here. My name. My first name is not says Mrs. Dammers. Okay. So, let me see something. Okay. Sorry, just making sure the button's not where you can't see it. So I'm going to start mine, but I'm going to pause it right away because I don't really need to watch mine again. So underneath, here's me, and I'm about to do my Flipgrid. So you might see, okay, I moved it over. See how over here, this is where Maya's Flipgrid is. So we can watch Maya's Flipgrid and do it on Maya's. But I'm going to do mine in case Maya doesn't want me to share it with hers with the entire class. Okay, so I'm going to go down, and underneath me, I can type in a comment and say, you did a great job, okay? Or I can record a comment. So that's what I want you guys to start doing. I want you to start pressing that button, and then it brings up this screen. And on this screen, it's weird because I'm recording a video over a video. Nuts. Okay, and it should start saying something else, but it's not. It's saying loading, which just means waiting. Oh. Of course, I had technical difficulties. All right, let's see. Oh, I know why I can't do it. I can't do it because I'm using the camera. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I can't do an idea of how to do it. I'm not going to be able to actually record the video. Okay, so I can open Maya's. Hi, Maya. All right, I'm going to pause it. Hi, Maya. Okay, so Maya did her push and pull, and we think, wow, Maya, that was awesome. So instead of making your own Flipgrid, you go under Maya's lovely face, and you click the camera. And under there, you can make a video that just goes to Maya, and you say to Maya, Maya, that was so good. I loved your cars. Well, wait, let's see. Maya's guy. She looks like she has a car there. She has some cars. She's probably going to push and pull them. So you look at that and you say, oh my goodness, you did such a great job. You can watch all your classmates' Flipgrid videos and respond to them there, okay? So you can watch, you don't want to watch me. Again, you watch me all the time. So we could watch Mrs. Dammers' video, then go underneath it and click the record button. I can't use the record button right now and share a video in a video in a video, basically, because I'm using my camera to make our video. So I can't use the camera to make our video and to make a Flipgrid video. Okay, it's kind of just like stacks on stacks and stacks on stacks of recording. So I can't do all that. But you can. And the point of this video is just to show you where to click to share with a classmate. If you share with a classmate and put a video on theirs, you get dojo points. You get closer to having lunch with Mrs. Dammers, okay? Which I hope you're excited about. And if you're not, we'll think about some other rewards that might make you excited, okay? All right, I want to see you responding to each other. All right, good job, ladies and gentlemen. I hope to see that you're all trying your best to make each other feel wonderful about the work you're doing.